Planning to explore Philadelphia, but don't want to drag your luggage all day? Radical Storage provides a quick, secure, and convenient way to store your bags while you enjoy the city's sights. In this guide, I'll walk you through how to deposit your luggage at a luggage storage point in Philadelphia using Radical Storage, a trusted platform offering secure, fully insured storage options. Radical Storage collaborates with local businesses like hotels, cafes, and shops to ensure your belongings are safe while you explore. While you could search for Radical Storage online, beware of phishing sites. To ensure your safety, use the official Radical Storage website through the secure link provided here. Once on the website, it's simple to locate a luggage storage point in Philadelphia. Just type Philadelphia into the search bar and browse the list of available storage locations across the city. Choose a location that fits your plans, whether near tourist attractions, transportation hubs, or downtown. After selecting your desired location, specify the drop-off and pick-up times, and proceed to payment. Radical Storage guarantees secure online transactions, so you can book with peace of mind. After confirming your booking, you'll receive a reference number and detailed directions to your chosen luggage storage point. Upon arrival, present your reference number to the staff, and they will securely store your luggage. That's it. You're now free to explore Philadelphia without carrying your bags, knowing your belongings are safe with Radical Storage. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below.